Welcome back, my friends! I'm super glad that you are back on our channel Countryside Dream, and today is the time for the next video from our series How to Build Your House. So my friends, get yourself comfy and here we go! My friends, welcome back! As you saw in the last video, we finally finalized the foundation part. Now is the time to start with the hydro isolation. Now is the time to prepare the concrete surface before we will put the hydro isolation and the penetration before, on the top. The first thing what I have to prepare is all these pipes, So what we are going to do, I know it will be really controversial and maybe it will shock you also, but I'm really going to cut these pipes for approximately 4 centimeters above the concrete. Why? The reason is you need to level all ends of these pipes because you are going to, in the future, you are going to hide it in your floor, and every centimeter is really precious because you have to always level all these sewage pipes in the floor. So I'm going to cut everything, then the prepare penetration around it and put the hydro isolation neck around, I will show you, no worries. It will be a little complicated, it's a really detailed work, but it needs to be done on a really high level of detailness, because if not, then it won't work. My friends, we have a next day, early morning. Even the sun is not up yet, and today we need to finish hydro isolation. But I have really bad news. We are maybe 1 week after the concrete pouring. It was super dry, weather, everything was okay, but during the night we had a really light rain and super dry surface is wet again. So I'm going to clean it a little bit and then dry it manually. I will wait till the sun will dry the surface, and one little notification, I'm going to apply this hydro isolation layer anyhow. I know it should be 100% correctly done with a really dry surface, but I'm a little bit under time stress and I need to go forward with the construction phases, because we have some goal till the end of this year and we need to still be able to do it before winter will hit us. So let's go. Now we have a time when we have to shorten this kind of pipe. The reason is that every centimeter is really high appreciated in the future, because here will be maybe 25-30 centimeter structure of whole floor, and we really need to save as much space as possible, because this pipe is not 100% accurate on the spot where future sink will be. So maybe the sink will be here, 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 and we need to have some kind of manipulation space. So we are going to cut it maybe 3 centimeters above the concrete, then prepare it for the hydro isolation, apply the hydro isolation, and then I will show you what will be the next step.
Monday, another week, I can't believe I'm counting down the minutes till it's Tuesday. Another day back on my feet. I'm fighting every minute till the weekend, so I can live it up and do it all again and again. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend. Wednesday, and I can't wait to get away. I'm counting down the minutes till it's Thursday. I'm holding on for one more day. I'm fighting every minute till the weekend, so I can live it up and do it all again and again. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday.
It's the time. I'm going to apply these beautiful asphalt sheets. Super important information, it's a modified asphalt sheet. It means it has a lot of chemical modification, which makes this sheet, which make this hydro isolation elastic also through the years. So now I'm going to light the propane here and lay it on already penetrated concrete. Little technical tip here. Guys, if you are going to buy a gas tank for this kind of application, you usually have two basic options. First option is to buy the normal cooking gas. This gas is called propan-butane. But the big problem with this type of gas is that you are not able to use the 100% of your bottle. Usually, due to the decrease of the pressure, you will left inside the 25% of it. Second option is to buy the clean propane. The huge advantage of this gas is that you are able to use the 100% of it from a bottle, so your efficiency is super high. Yesterday I was really working till the sun was available here and we have a light, so I was able to apply the second layer, the asphalt pieces here. Here it's not 100% done, so I'm going to finish this one, this part, and here I'm going to play around with these details, yeah, in hydro isolation. By the way, this is isolation not only for moisture but also for a radon. I don't know how to call it in English, this radioactive gas from Earth, so it needs to be done really good. So here we go. All diameter is finished, and now I really have to play around with such details around the pipe ends. So my friend, and now you will need such a little piece of this asphaltus, sharp knife, and yeah, let's check what I'm going to do.
Guys, how I did it? I used the leftover pieces from the asphaltus sheet and I create so-called asphalt skirts around the future switch pipes, and then I use also the next leftover pieces, melt them down, scrap the melted asphaltus and use it as a glue. Guys, and this is the way how you ensure waterproof and radon-proof connection.
The hydro isolation is done. I finished it. Finally, all details, connections all around the ends of these pipes. Sun is already almost down, and we are preparing for tomorrow for another nice activities on our project. But it will be in the next video. So my friends, support us, give us a subscription, like the video, share it, leave a comment, and we will see each other in the next one.